Alright, we're at Woodfield Mall. We got an original Montgomery elevator. Very dark cab. Is that a lowercase u? Lantern doesn't light up, but the chime works. I like these engravings. You can barely even read them, but they say upper level, lower level. This is just like what the original glass elevators used to be like, except of course those were glass, but otherwise this is exactly how those were. Well, the door's open. Capacity is 4,000 pounds. Here's the certificate. So I can, where's the number? I need to get a shot of that so I can see it later. 827, all right. Anyway, that's all for that one.